Let's learn opposite words. Children, welcome to the Kids Worksheets. In this video, we are going to learn opposite words. Let's start. Day, night. Hot, cold. The opposite of happy, sad. Opposite of big, small. Opposite of fast, slow. Dirty, clean. Good, bad. Up, down. Children, opposite words repeat after me. Let's revise again. Day, night. Hot, cold. Happy, sad. Big, small. Fast, slow. Dirty, clean. Good, bad. Up, down. So children, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe, like and share this video.